Okay, the notes for 2.5. Couple of things we need to know before we begin. Standard form for a linear equation is going to be ax plus by equals c. Okay, an easy way to remember what the standard form is look at the left-hand side of your equation. Where are variables? They're together, aren't they? X and y, same side of the equation. Okay. So if the problem says put your answer in standard form, just make sure x and y are on the same side. Okay? Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay? In this form, x and y are on opposite sides. Okay? Remember, y is by itself. So if they want it in slope-intercept form, just solve for y. Okay, this first example that I'm going to give you says write the equation for the line, give standard form. So, example 1. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, go down, so that means it's only going to cross the x. So the equation is x equal 2. Okay, we can't write our answer in standard form because we only have one variable. Okay, what's the slope of that line? Here's the line right. 2 over 7. Did I? Yeah, this is not y is over here. This is 2. What line? Undefined. 0 is going to be horizontal. This slope would be undefined, okay? Okay, for 2. Example number 2, give the slope and y-intercept of each line and graph it. So I know whoops, excuse me, M, B, and I need to graph. Okay, so we're going to start plus 3y equal negative 9. So right now this is in standard form. If I need to figure out what slope and y-intercept are, then I need to solve it for y. So and then what? I can't get it to you. Okay, what? So y equals, okay, what's the slope? Okay, what is the y-intercept? Ordered pair. okay? Now to graph it, nothing fancy, okay? Just start at 0, -3, put a point, and since my slope's negative, -1/3, that means go down 1, right 3. So here's 4, go right 3. Down 1, right 3. Okay, just graph a couple of points. If I was to go up 1 and to the right 3, that'd be right here. Oops, that's too high, isn't it? Come down a little bit. Anyhow, you just need a few points on there so you can graph it. Nothing fancy. Here is from slope, and then we're going to graph the right equation. So here's the point. The point 1 or 0. Okay, 2 points. So +2, +1. So my slope is 2, right? So if I continue the path, I'll have more points. Okay, y-intercept? 0, -1. Okay, what's my x-intercept? Approximately. Here's 1, and here's a half. So 0.75, 0.9 maybe. It's somewhere probably. So approximately 0.75 or in that area, okay? All right, let's write the equation. Take these two, write the equation of the line. 2x minus 1. So if I have an equation, if I have a graph to write the equation, I just need to identify slope and y-intercept. The x-intercept can be found by looking at the graph. Where does it cross x? But since it's not directly on the 1, if you want to find out the actual value, what does y equal right there? Y is 0, and x is some value, right? So if I have this equation here, if I put y equals 0, whoops, I don't know what x is. X, alrighty, there we go. Solve for x. What do I do first? The opposite of subtraction is add. 1 equals 2x. Divide by 2. So we were off a little bit, weren't we? It's 0.5. The x-intercept was 0.5. Whoever said that. So, okay. Jenny, does that help? So to answer your question, let y equal 0. You'll find the x-intercept. Okay. Okay, we're going to start off with 2 points. 2, 6, -4, comma, r. So basically, something's missing. What's missing? The y coordinate. Okay. And the question says, find r so that the line going through these 2 points is parallel to 2x minus 3y equal 4. So minus the 2x. Then what? So y equals okay, plus 2/3 x. So if I took these 2 points and connected them, okay, I need to find the value of r that's going to make that line parallel to this line. How do you know 2 lines are parallel? Same slope, exactly. That's what I'm looking for. So what's the slope here? 2/3. So this other line has to have a slope of, if it's parallel, it's going to be exactly the same. So this need a slope of 2/3. They need to be exactly the same so that they never cross. Okay, so how do you find the slope between 2 lines or points? Y minus y, x minus x. Okay, what are 2 y values? So 6 minus r over 2 minus negative 4. And that's supposed to equal what? 2/3. Remember, this is the outcome I'm looking for. Okay? So let's clean this up here. Negative, negative. So I've got 6 minus r over 2 plus 4 equals 2 over 3. Okay? What's 2 plus 4? Okay, so 6. All right, so to solve for r, any ideas before I show you? Yeah. Cross multiply. 6 times 2 and 3 times the quantity 6 minus r. 18 minus, this is distributive property. Okay, now so 12 minus 18. And then do what? Positive 2 equals r. Okay? All right, any questions on that?